Standard 5 Subject English. Today we are going to see Term 2 Unit 2 Book Back Grammar Conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, phrases or sentences. Look at the picture. He sells carrot and he sells tomatoes. To join two independent statements, to use the conjunction word and. Look at the picture. He ran fast but he cannot catch the bus. To join two contrast statements using the conjunctions but, yet, still, though, even though, although. Look at the picture. It was raining, therefore we cannot go to zoo. When the second statement comes as the result of the first statement. So, therefore, because, as, since. Look at the picture. He went to play after he finished his work. To join statements indicating time, before, after, as soon as. Look at the picture. John cooked the dinner while Prem cleaned the room. To join sentences, two events happening at the same time. Using the conjunction words while, when. Look at the picture. Run fast or you will not be selected. Run fast or you will not be selected. To join sentences with condition or otherwise, else, unless. Let's see the book exercise. We have to find out the correct conjunction of following sentences. First one, he has a pencil, dash a paper. First one answer, and. He has a pencil and a paper. A-N-D and. Second one, he has a ball, dash not a bat. But. B-U-T, but. He has a ball but not a bat. Third one, do you want apple or pear? Do you want apple or pear? O or R. Match the following. First one, the cat was hungry, so it ate a fish. Second one, I was on leave because I had a headache. Third one, he was afraid of the dark, so he ran away. Fourth one, she went home early because she had to attend function. B. Fill in the blanks with correct connecting words. First one, he ate 2 chocolates, dash he got cough. So, he ate 2 chocolates, so he got cough. Second one, the rat ran fast, dash a cat was chasing it. Because. The rat ran fast because A cat was chasing it. Third one, he missed his purse. Dash, he was sad. So he was sad. He missed his purse. So he was sad. Fourth one, Tom left the class. Dash, he was sick. Tom left the class because he was sick. Because. Fifth one, he lost the key. Dash, he couldn't open his room. He lost the key. So he couldn't open his room. Thank you.